Hello everyone and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to choose or use a Portuguese voice on 11 Labs. So the first thing to do is to go to this website 11labs.io and choose the voices option from the sidebar menu. Next is to click on the collection section and scroll to the language pack. Click on the next button till you find the Portuguese pack. Once you click on it, it should appear something. You should oh I'm sorry, it should appear. It seems I'm okay. Let me click on it so that we would see. So it should appear this way and you can proceed to click on the voices to be sure of what you need. So once you find a voice that matches your intent for your project, you can proceed to add it to my voices section where you can further edit it to your preference. So this is how to add a Portuguese voice to your projects on 11 Labs. Thank you very much and do have a great day. So if you've enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment below and subscribing for more. Thank you very much and do have a great day.